Pull it up. Come again. Deva Bratt from Willington. Yo. Now, if you guys know me, you know that I'm a very big fan of Deva Bratt. Deva Bratt has been one of the most lyrical artists from back in the days. That, in my opinion, alright? I can't say something else, but that's just my opinion. I think Deva Bratt is one of the most lyrical artists you can find on this earth. However, Deva Bratt dropped a song called Bullets and Prayers. And of course, I think this is another diss song towards, Empire. Well, the old Empire, or Gaza we should say, and KHAGO, Frago, Bago. So let's go. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Muffins. Head up in chickens. Boy, head up in 7-Eleven.
Me hear one bag of yapping and chatting a go until me papa and pan them corner with me Glock in my palm. When the machine go to
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
and the clap in a guan, you coulda be a Capricorn when me knock it you can. So when me do reserve them a bullet and a prayer, them no man and knock a the chopper the bad flyer. So reverse the earth, gunshot chop up it higher. How we a make it up in your blind see just fire up and rapid burst it a bus when it tower you make it.
Pull it up. Come again.
Muffins. Head up in chickens. Boy, head up in 7-Eleven.
Me hear one bag of yapping and chatting a go until me papa and pan them corner with me Glock in my palm. When the machine go turn on and the clap in a guan, you coulda be a Capricorn when me knock it you can. So when me do reserve them a bullet and a prayer, them no man and knock a
I say reserve them a bullet and a prayer. Them no man and knock is me now.
chopper the bad flyer. So reverse the earth, gunshot chop up it higher. How we a make it up in your blind see just fire up and rapid burst it a bus when it tower you make it clap like church and sing like choir. Boy get dirt cause of that them require want to the transmit.
Boy get dirt cause of that them require. Want to them chance. Yeah.
Here one now, instant dead, them get. Me make a step with the tech on the Kel-Tech. Them never hear when the rifle a bell check. Bullet like rain a fall, do not get wet. People a run and a ball and a scream and all. Both those bun down, go and go ask Nesbet. Target done set, fit run with your best bet.
Nesbet I'm a cousin, you know. Nesbet is my cousin. Don't make my cousin about him also bun down, you know. Alright. Deva Bratt, know yourself. Alright, lyrical genius.
Killer them a race to kill you and the mark get set. Crucial I bring the fire like a ghost ride. Them boy them know about them and go force ripe. Like Adam in Noah summer so them a pose like gunshot bust boy belly force up tribe. Seggy when me kill Jeggy with the 4-5. Nazar run hot like fire take more life. Man a foot it and put it man don't try. Farmer man
a foot it and don't try.
a yard full of shit, me clap it, don't dive. When me tap that chigga, papa that pop bida. Man dark and fuck up like Cersei, me bida. Head buzz, pump pillar, boy, head swell bigger. Curbside war, pick up the liver. 5 the spade, pop off the dog, the berita. Lock it on the north side, fix it with the clipper. Double tape up the K, the big dipper. Junior rich and 100 straight, that grave digger. Black talent, talo pint and a lot tipper. Spit out of the clip and a pick out them head when it a spit up. The blue light panning as a wall, the rubber gripper. 31 in a the clip and the whole light of his receiver. Broad trace this motherfucking bitch. I tell him take off him at make a stop and take a picture. My boss him head back when me pop off to the mission. Them fish have been no man a war them. So when me don't reserve them.
Yo. You say if me never so tired like bro, let me just say me tired like from morning. Me a try hold a nap and me can't take a nap. Bro, look at me eye there, brother. Me tired. See if me never tired. You might make up some nice in a few man song. Yo, I told me tired, man.
Bullet and a prayer, them no man and knock a the chopper the bad flyer. So reverse the earth, gunshot chop up it higher. How we a make it up in your blind see just fire up and rapid burst it a bus when it tower you make it clap like church and sing like choir. Boy get dirt cause of that them require want to the transmission near just a check tire. Here one now, instant dead, them get. Me make a step with the tech on the Kel-Tech. Them never hear when the rifle a bell check. Bullet like rain a fall, do not get wet. People a run and a ball and a scream and all. Both those bun down, go and go ask Nesbet. Target done set, fit run where your best bet.
Deva Bratt come with a vengeance, brother. And I personally like it. Dancehall was nice when Deva Bratt still drop him song. But when KHAGO joined the whole thing, bro, it come like a gimmicks thing KHAGO depending, brother. But anyway, some artists have to look away for come back in. You see me? That's like how them say Deva Bratt look away for come back here because he might throw jobs at SHAWN Storm them and Cartel. But I now have to explain myself when it comes to Deva Bratt. I think Deva Bratt is a very phenomenal artist. I think Deva Bratt know how to put words together and make it sound good. I think he's a very, very good artist, and we can't even deny that, brother. So without further ado, I give this song a 10 out of 10. Deva Bratt, we need some visuals. Alright? We need it. We need it, my G. Spend some time, spend some money, and get some visuals out. You see me? But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Soon, guys, yo, I'm gonna sleep. I love you, I appreciate you, but I need some rest.